Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Divine Healing channel. And I have already set up my intentions, did my prayers, and I'm going to suffer my card. And let's see what angels have messages for this week. So, people who are new to my channel and this is your first time visiting me and seeing my card reading. So, this card reading which I am doing is in general for everybody who comes and see this video, and in general. So for this card reading, I have put my intention, invoke the energy of angels, and did a prayers to them. So they will guide me to pull out cards, which is going to be a message for you all for this week. So now I'm going to pull out hopefully three cards. So let's see. Oh wow, I got this first card. Wow, second card. Card. And I think there are 4 cards for this week and just have more messages for you guys. So along with my card reading, I also have a deck for positive affirmations, and this affirmation is for you all in general. So what you can do, you can use this affirmation throughout your week and use as many times as you can. Since this affirmation is very positive and is going to help you. So I got first affirmation. Wow. Let's see what second affirmation. Now we have to see if the angels are guiding me. 4, 5, 3, and I think they are guiding me to get 1 or 2. 1 and I think 2 more. So again, there are 5 affirmations for this week which angels have guided me. So, the first angel card which I have pulled out is, wow, you are understood. The first card is you are understood. So, let's see what it means. So, the meaning to this card is, the angels sent you this card because every aspect of your personality and existence make perfect sense to them. As an indigo, you may feel flawed or that you have made mistakes. This card reminds you that nothing is a mistake, everything is a divine appointment. Know that heaven and the angels see you as a perfect being, and they have been with you every step of your life. They know you, who you are, and they see your divine perfection. The angels completely understand why you have made every decision you have made. Allow yourself to revel in the comfort of knowing that there is force much bigger than any human on this planet, and this force sees you as flawless soul doing the best you can. So now, second card. Health. Wow. Second card is health, and let's see what it means. So the meaning to this card is, the angels bring you this card because they have a message for you regarding health. This can be about yourself or someone close to you. Health refers to not only physical but also emotional and spiritual wellness. When this card is pulled, it's a sign to make sure you are not owing or identifying with any health condition. Detach from the condition and see it as separate from who you are, and as a phase in your life that will quickly be over. Archangel Raphael is working with you when you see this card. So call upon him and his magnificent green light to aid with health and healing. This card can also be a sign that you are a healer, since indigos are born with powerful energy and abilities in this arena. This may be an indication that you should confidently move forward with your healing training and work. Third card, learn something new. Wow, learn something new. So let's see what it means. So the meaning to this card is, there is a new information waiting for you. This card asks you to initiate or finish studies on a topic or topics that interest you. When this card comes up, it is often a calling to start or complete something that you already know you should be doing. Let this be your confirmation that the time of this endure is now. This card also guides you to meditate and have a conversation with the universe. Any questions can be asked and will be answered. If you will listen with an open mind and heart, trust the feedback you receive. Write it down and consider teaching this information to others. As an indigo, you can easily recognize true divine guidance as it comes to you. Even if you feel that what you are learning won't serve you in future, please trust that the angels are guiding you for a specific reason that you may not necessarily need to know at this point in your life. Have fun and try something new. Last but not the least, freedom. Last card is freedom. So the meaning to this card is, this card answers your question by guiding you to seek greater freedom. Perhaps this comes from releasing something that no longer serves you. This card is also confirmation that your prayers of freedom have been heard and the angels are working to bring change into your life. As an indigo, you can sense when someone is being controlled or manipulated. You have an innate ability to see unnecessary restrictions and rules, but sometimes you may unknowingly enforce your own restrictions and rule upon yourself. When you draw this card, it signals that you should release control over your desire. Freely dream big for yourself and this planet and allow the angels to guide you with their eternal and infinite wisdom. So this was the card reading for this week, and let's see what affirmations we have for this week. So the first affirmation is, I speak with confidence because the world needs my light. I repeat, I speak with confidence because the world needs my light. Second affirmation, I can release ancient pain simply by feeling it. I can release ancient pain simply by feeling it. Third affirmation, I dish out compliments sincerely and liberally. I dish out compliments sincerely and liberally. Fourth, I trust that my gut reaction is the truth underneath the surface of my fear. I repeat, I trust that my gut reaction is the truth underneath the surface of my fears. Fifth, happiness is a choice I make. I repeat, happiness is a choice I make. Last but not the least, I am ready to receive love. I am ready to receive love. Actually, there is one more card attached to this. So this week we have 7 affirmations. So the last but not the least, I can think my way out of fear. I repeat, I can think my way out of fear. If you are visiting every week for my card reading, you must have noticed that some of the affirmations are coming more often. Why? Because angels want you to work on that affirmations. Maybe you still need to work on that particular area. That's the reason they are making me to pull out that affirmation. So I hope you guys like this angel card reading for this week. Thank you all of you for coming and visiting me and watching my angel card reading. People who are new to my channel, this card reading was for this week in general for everybody. And I use different decks to get the answers for everybody. And before I pull out card, I do put my intentions and do my prayers before doing card reading. So people who are interested in having a personal card reading for themselves, for supposing if you are looking for a new job, or supposing if you want to change a job and if you need an answer, so you can contact me and definitely I will help you through angel reading. Angel reading is the reading where I contact with the angels directly and they give me all the answers. Along with that, I will also do an angel card reading. Is it depending which angels are guiding me to use the deck for you guys. Also, if you want prayers, angel prayers for any particular issues or particular thing, you can also contact me through my email ID. People who are interested in any of my healing services where you can do a personal healing, family healing, relationship healing, definitely you can contact me through my email ID. Also, people who wanted to learn positive affirmations and positive writing for themselves or for others, definitely you can also contact me through my email ID. And believe me guys, positive writing is very very powerful, which will help you to change anything in your life and change yourself also. Also, I'm offering right now all my services, like virtually also. So do feel free and contact me through my email ID. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing my channel. Also, I want to say thanks to all those who have shared my videos to their friends and family. Thank you guys. I wanted to say thanks to all the people who are putting nice comments on my videos. Not only that, but also people who are sending me comments to different resources. Thank you guys, all of you. I also wanted to say thanks to my team who is working really hard behind the scenes and making sure every week you guys can see me with my new videos. So thank you guys. Also, people who are new and have seen the card in for the first time, and if you do not know what are angels, you can go below my link which we have shared. I have made 2 videos about the angels and what are different kind of angels and how they help us. So definitely you can visit on my channel and take a look about that video also guys. So I hope you will have a good week. Till we meet next time, keep smiling, be happy, stay safe, and spread happiness around you and help whoever needs your help guys. Till I see you next time guys, I Sangeeta Patel take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessing. Namaste to all.